Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your dude, Heat Ledger, back from the dead, doing a quick overview of the Jordan, that's not right, of the Air Force One Travis Scott sale that dropped today, August 10th. Now before I get into the video, if you guys could do me a massive favor, hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed, and hit that like button, because your boy actually tried to venture off and do food videos. Got about 4.5 views on that. Seems like you guys are not very interested, so we'll continue to try and bring you more cool sneaker content. Guys, it's 2018 out here. Everyone's trying to make a couple extra bucks. This is pretty much all I got in my pocket, and that's not even Canadian loonie, that's actually a Russian ruble. It's worth about ½ cent. So really appreciate any support you guys can offer me. Alright, so let's get into the actual shoes. Picked these up today over at House of Hoops Foot Locker on Yonge Street. The shoe itself, for those that don't know already, got the canvas upper, you got a removable swoosh that's attached from the Velcro, and then this colorway isn't the white, it's looking pretty white on camera, but this is the second iteration. So if you guys remember, there was the white Air Force One that came out prior to this last year, looked very similar, but of course just a white upper versus a sail, and then you still got that gum bottom. I didn't get a chance at least to get that first pair. I did manage to get the Jordan 4s, which I really like. But technically, if you count that and the family and friends, this would be the fourth shoe that is actually released. Turn down the exposure a bit so you guys can see, but the other thing I wanted to point out was the upside down Nike Air on the heel, which is actually really cool. Still have that removable swoosh on the side. You got the Cactus Jack lace cover, which is held on by these kind of buttons on the front, and then these are actually called Dubrays. They're not called lace locks, and they're I think significant of his like grills, or at least it looks like grills. So yeah, that's that. The left shoe is pretty much the same. Still got those removable Velcro swooshes, and then you got like a different kind of cover. Again, all canvas, and then gum sole. Alright, so that's it guys, really quick video, hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below if you managed to pick a pair up. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, definitely hit me up, would love to talk to you on there. Hope you guys are having a great day. You do Heat sign out. Peace. Okay, I'm a dumbass, obviously forgot the interchangeable swooshes. They're both textured, you got the flames print up here, and then I'm not entirely sure what this is, but yeah, it's cool. I'm a little rusty on these videos actually, so yeah, okay.